what I'm doing right now is taking off these stickers from the top slam panel. I'm going to put some primer on it. Well, I'm going to sand it down, put some primer on it, put some green base coat and clear coat, and try to colour match this to the colour of the car. So I've sanded down the entire slam panel. There's some bits that had a bit of rust, so I've just sanded the rust off. And I'm going to use some rust inhibiting primer just to give that area a little bit of a coat so that it doesn't rust in the future. Primer's dried, so I've sanded it a bit on the front area there and the top bit just to smooth out some just so you guys can see. I've just put on a very light coat, obviously haven't gone into all the gaps and everything. Just put a light coat of paint on, let that dry, and then put on the second coat.
Oh. You know it's actually Prime Day today.
Huh?
It's Prime Day today.
Quick update on the mini project on this one here. Just taking out the transmission mount. Well, the first thing I took out was the engine mount on the other side. As you can see, this is what was left of that. Now we put in these fresh new ones. This one here, the bracket there, and you can't even see the other one. Painting them all in some nice high temperature paint in black, matte black, just so it blends in nicely to the engine bay. But as I was saying, the gearbox mount, this whole bottom section is totally missing from the actual mount. So from the top it looked fine. When you come to the bottom, pretty much this whole bit here is just missing. And as you can see, done some nice matte black paint on this so that it doesn't look all crusty and rusty and old like this, or oxidized even. Got the new bolts and everything, direct from the manufacturer. So yeah, just gonna slap this in and then hopefully the car should be 100%. Just a quick update on the engine bay. So the air intake hose, so this hose connecting the turbo to the air filter, this is broken off. So instead of just replacing it with another OEM part, I'll probably break again. I've bought an MTC Motorsport part. So it's one silicone hose, it's all one piece. So it'll fit there instead of this original one. Just going to install that now. I've taken off the blue front bumper and I've fitted in a white silver one, and also the blue bonnet is about to come off because I've found a British Racing green bonnet with all the trims and everything on it. So the blue front end is going to be available for sale for anyone that wants it. Got the bumper and a matching bonnet, perfect condition, no scratches or anything. There's like one little mark, but you can just polish that out, or if you want, I'll polish it out for whoever wants it. But yeah, so it's basically going to be like 90%, 95% green, just going to be the silver front bumper now, compared to before where the whole front end was blue. But yeah, gonna put that on now and then see how it looks. Also, I've put the silver wheels onto my coupe, and then I've bought some same exact conical spoke wheels but black, and put some lower profile tyres on it, some Toyos. But other than that, the car looks pretty sweet. Bought a British Racing Green bonnet, but it's from a pre-facelift MiniCooperS. It's a 2010 bonnet, but it's from a pre-facelift, so the colour's slightly off. So what I'm going to do today is strip off the trims basically, so the grille, the scoop, the headlight trim, the belt line on the bonnet and the fender, the indicators, the wheel arch trims, bumper trim, take out the front bumper grille and all of that, fog lights out, number plate off, badge off, and the washers off as well. Just going to strip it all down so that the body shop has an easier job of painting the car, because I'm pretty sure they're either going to match the paint perfectly, or if they can't, they're just going to blend it onto the fenders. So I told them I'd strip it all down for them, so it's less labour for them, which makes it a lot easier. And I've got a standard MiniCooperS scoop, so I'll be taking that one off and putting the normal one in, which they'll blend green with the rest of the bonnet. The only things I've got to take off now is these two trims on either side, and then just bolt that bumper back on, clean off the adhesive there, bolt that back on, slap that in the boot, and just heat this up and take this off as well. Next time you see the car, it will probably be all one colour. Won't be, well, it was what, blue, green and white, and now it will be fully green. But yeah, the only other thing I've done is I've swapped out the white mirror caps for black mirror caps. And then it's got black wheels now. the black conical spoke alloys. So I've got the old wing, the original wing, so that they can use that to get the paint match. I've got a scoop and then the front bumper trim that all needs painting. All needs to be blended to match the rest of the car. And it's all one colour now, as you can see. It's perfect. But yeah, what I'm going to do now is either give it a wash first quickly, dry it up and then put the trim back, or just start putting back like the belt line and the headlight surrounds and stuff, and the upper grille piece, and then I'll take the bumper off, put the bumper back together fully, then slap it back on obviously, and then put the grille in, then put these things in last, these side trims. Hey guys, this is the final product for the 2010 CooperS. Just give you a quick walk around. I've been using this as my daily for the past couple years now. Slapped on the SV Rebuilds plate, beautiful. Give it a quick look at the inside. Still got the custom seats with the embossed logo. Interior is pretty much the same. I'm not sure what the wheels were before, but these are the final wheels for the car. Fully black. It's got the blacked out LCI rear lights. Small little car park ding here. But otherwise, it's been a pretty good car for the past 2 years now. Got the JCW side scuttle looking sweet. Let's give you a driver's perspective. But yeah, the car's done now, and I'm done with the car, so it's going to be up on the market for sale. And yeah, that's about it. Just give you some nice shots of it.